going to be signing OVA or OVF files using codesign Secure's utility tool. This utility tool will allow you to sign various types of files, including OVA or OVF files. Let's first discuss what OVA and OVF mean. OVF is the Open Visualization Format. It specifies a standard for packaging and distributing virtual machines. It also specifies two file types, OVF, which is a set of OVF files that will describe a virtual machine's configuration, or OVA, an archive of OVF files. Codesign Secure can sign either individual OVF files or the packaged OVA files using the utility tool. In order to do this, you'll run the utility tool using Python. First, we're going to enter the username we're going to sign into Codesign Secure with. We're going to enter the application name under which we're doing our signing operation. In this case, we're using German Motors. We're going to enter the environment name. The environment we're using today is the non-production environment, named non-prod. As you can see here, approval is required. Approval has been granted. We will now enter the path to the file we wish to sign. We're going to use this Photon3 OVA file. It's located in the path already that we're working under, so we'll just type its name. We'll then let the tool run. We're going to give it the certificate we wish to sign with. This certificate is EV code signing. It is also in the path, so we don't have to specify a path and just have to specify its name. We can see the signature and that the signature has been attached, and we can now see our output file in the folder. This concludes our demo on signing using Codesign Secure's utility tool for signing OVA files. If you need a code signing solution for your organization that is robust and can handle a variety of file types, including OVA or OVF files, please reach out to Encryption Consulting.